Dave, they're writing on your face. Wake up, man.
Nope, he's fucked up. Wait, I should just video this, but it doesn't
Dave,
come in.
they're writing on your
I'm
face.
videotaping.
Dave,
Oh,
wake
thank
up. There you go. They're writing on your face. It's
I'm
not
falling in the fire.
Michael's falling in the fire, but they're writing on your face. That's not a bug. There you go. All those flashlights were laughing at you. Wake up, you drunken man. Dave, you're drunk. Wake up, you're being silly.
Dave.
Your son.
Dave, can you spell your name?
Which son are you
What's
after?
your-
The one
spell
you
your
live
last
with or the other
name?
one?
Craging.
What? There's no
Jared, I have no
C in your
picture,
name.
but the sound is gonna be good enough.
There is no C in your name, first
Honey,
or
honey,
last.
He started spelling Craig.
Yeah, that's why
CRA,
he's drunk.
he still
I know,
spelled
so it's
Craig wrong
ING.
too.
Krang?
What's your last name, Dave?
G-I-M-B-S-H.
G-I-M-B-C-H. Jim.
You are our
Jump off.
dumbass, but
Jump
we
off.
still love you.
Jump off.
We're writing on your face too.
Jump off. Stop writing on the man.
Leave the poor guy
He
alone.
was your partner all night.
I love having you as a roommate, buddy.
We are definitely
Dude, just
gonna
don't
blame
piss
you
on
in
us
the morning.
tonight.
Up here now.